There has been a lot of change in legislation when it comes to buy-to-lets and taxation rules for landlords. You have a portfolio of 90 properties. Can you share with us your approach to structuring your portfolio in the current market?
Yeah, I think first off, all these changes in legislation are a good thing. A lot of landlords, I think, only own one house. They are potentially accidental landlords. Mummy and daddy might have died, or two people get together and move into one house. What should we do with a house? The time of the right price is not here, so we're not going to sell it. Oh, I know, we'll rent it out. And if you go back when I started this game. This is our 20th year now. I run the portfolio with my wife. My gas engineer actually had more qualifications to do his job than I did, because I started off, you've got to start from somewhere. Yes, we bought one property, off we go. And yeah, we had a rough idea what we were doing, but we never necessarily got it right, and we're building the experience as we go along. So legislation can be a good thing. My properties are in Wales. We're just suffering the Rent Smart Wales licensing and registration process, which came in, I think, around 2 years ago now. And that has had the effect of driving a lot of landlords out because of the paperwork. We have also recently gone through the tenants fee ban. That came into Wales on the 1st of September. You guys in England had it in July. That has really changed. Let me explain that our portfolio, we're not chasing high-end tenants. We are typical former heavy industrial areas, 2 up, 2 down properties. I would love to go in and say, right, give me a month's rent in advance, give me a large administration fee, give me 4 or 5 weeks deposit and take £1,200 off people, plus the money's not there. Our model used to be, give us £180 admin fee. I won't ask for a bond. I won't ask for rent in advance. I will ask for a guarantor. But we were moving tenants in for £180. That's gone now. As a result, now we actually charge a bond £450, £500. What we found, that is excluding an awful lot of tenants from the market. From our point of view, is actually potentially improving matters, because arguably we're getting a better class of tenant now with a little bit more money. Time will show. But legislation, yes, I think it is improving the housing market, but it is certainly in our part of the world, it is creating a shortage of property.